What to use for soundproofing. If you're considering soundproofing a separating party wall, here's what to use for soundproofing. Now, first of all, consider sound deadening that wall that you're looking to soundproof. I'd recommend a rubber, a mass loaded vinyl, or a viscoelastic membrane to sound deaden the wall first. Then, in front of that, isolated from the structure, build a frame isolated from the ceiling, wall and floor. Next, consider using a resilient bar or some sort of clip and channel system to be installed to that frame isolated from the structure. Then, depending on your space and budget available, install as many interlocking layers to those resilient bars, resilient channels. Consider things like sound block board, cement board, fibre board, different types of barrier mat, as much mass interlocking installed to those resilient bars as you can. And you do this to all of the walls in that room where you're hearing the noise. Put your finger in one ear, put your ear against those walls and listen how much noise you're hearing down those walls. And if you hear the noise, then apply that soundproofing technique to those walls. So this might mean the window wall, that's right, that exterior wall. Also, put your finger on your ear, listen on the chimney stack. You might have to do something to the chimney stack. That separating wall between the front and back bedroom, those stud walls that are separating cupboard under the stairs or separating en suites or kitchens. Put your finger in one ear and put your ear against the wall and listen on all of those areas. If you're hearing the noise down those areas, then you need to consider soundproofing those areas as well. Check out my other videos on how to soundproof a wall.